Hi guys, it's Clan here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to run Android in Windows 11. As you can see here, it is a Google Play Store inside my Windows 11. But actually, not all apps are here because some apps like games, like Call of Duty, are not in this version of Google Play. But there's still thousands of Android apps that useful in your Android device that you can install it in your Windows device or your desktop or laptop. Configuring your Windows 11 computer to run Android is very easy. However, there are some configuration that little bit difficult, but it's still manageable. Now, we will begin to our tutorial. What we're going to do is we will go to search menu and type control panel. And once you are in the control panel, go to programs. Click programs, and once you are in the programs, go to programs and features, turn Windows features on and off. And once you are here, Windows features, we will search here the virtual machine platform. As you can see, I already have the virtual machine platform. Some computers and laptop, you need to install this virtual machine platform. So we just need to go here to check if you have, and if you don't have, just click it and click OK. This will install that drivers or application. Now the second step is we will go now to settings. Just go to start menu or search menu and type settings. If your settings are already in your taskbar, you don't need to go to search menu. Once you are here, we will go now to privacy and security. Just click the privacy and security. Once you are inside, we will go now to for developers. Once you are here, we'll just click the developer mode on. Install apps from any sources including loose files. So we will turn it on. So we will be able now to install apps that it is not recognizable as safe in Windows 11. The third step is download these files. I will not include the video on how I downloaded these files because it will make this tutorial longer. I will just share the link below in the description where you can download these files. So we have here the WSA package, we also have the kernel, and the ADB setup 1.43 or 1.4.3. So once you have all these files, we will now extract these files one by one. We will extract it first, the ADB setup. So we'll already extract the ADB setup. We will try to install this. So during here, I encountered a problem. That's why my computer needs more configuration. As you can see, the system cannot find the path specified. So if you encounter this problem, I will be sharing another video about it. But not all computer will encounter that problem. That's why I will not include it in this video. So next, we will extract the WSA package. So just right click it and extract to the same folder. We have here now the WSA package extracted file. So we will open this file to show you. As you can see, there are a lot of files inside. But first, actually, we need to copy the kernel that we downloaded. So let's just go back, and here's the kernel. We will copy this, copy, then we will paste it in WSA package folder. Make it sure it is in the root. Don't paste it in any folder inside. Now we will go to PowerShell. So we will go to start menu and type PowerShell and run as administrator. Once you are in the PowerShell, type cd, just like what I did, and copy this folder location and paste it here. So there you go. It means that you locate this file and paste this command, add-AppxPackage. I will just be sharing it to the link also, or to the description also, I mean. So that's it. Now we will check the start menu and see if the subsystem for Android is already there. It's here, and it means that we have the Android subsystem together with our Windows 11 OS. So what we're going to do now is we will open this Android subsystem, but make sure you are in the developer mode. So we will just click this file. As you can see, there is an error. Actually, that error is very easy. It just needs a simple configuration, and I also don't include it in this video since not all computers are the same with that, but I just show it because you might encounter it during your configuration, and now you will have the solution. So I will just be sharing the link of the tutorial on how I configure it so that we can now move forward. So here's now what will happen if without no error. So as you can see, we are inside the Android system, and the Google Play is already installed in our computer. So as you can see, but there's no files, no items inside. And we will check now that the Google Play Store is already in our computer. Now we will try to open the Google Play Store. As you can see, I try to click the sign in button, but I cannot sign in. So in this part, you will need to configure the ADB. That's why we downloaded the ADB and run it. Now we will go to File Explorer and go to the main drive, which were your OS, or in the C drive, and go to ADB. Click the ADB, try to run it. Just click this and write command in this address cmd and copy the IP address, then open the command here and type connect ADB connect, and then paste the IP address. I will just blur my IP address. So this is my IP address, copy, and we'll paste it here. And as you can see, it says connected to the IP address. Next is type ADB shell. Then after that, type SU. So for user, it means you are now root, and then type here the set and force space 0, then click or enter. So there you go, we're done. We will now go to Play Store and see that I already signed in the Play Store. So I just forwarded the video actually, but once you click this, you will need to sign in the Play Store. So here it is. I'm inside the Google Play Store. So I'm already signed in, and as you can see here, there are lots of apps, Android apps that you can use. I will try to download this IDA 64 or system information. So complete setup, continue, and of course escape. Then there you go, it is now downloading. So that's all, and I hope that you learned something in this video. I hope you will be able to install or run Android in your Windows 11. If you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the notification bell below to see more videos like this. And see you in my next video. Goodbye and God bless.